In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your FIFA Mobile account using a FIFA Mobile application. If you're looking for a way to log out or sign out of FIFA Mobile, then let me tell you that you'll not be able to find a log out button in the settings page of FIFA Mobile or anywhere inside the app. So if you want to log out of it, then you'll need to delete your FIFA Mobile application from your mobile device. Simply go ahead and press hold the FIFA Mobile app icon and tap on the remove app button and tap on delete button twice. Once you delete your application, all of the data and information will also be deleted. Then go back to your App Store or your Play Store and search for FIFA Mobile by typing it in the search box. Download the application again and wait until the application gets installed on a mobile device. Once the application is installed, tap on Open and launch Open FIFA Mobile
EA Sports. It's in the game.
And then you'll be able to see that the app has now started, and there you'll need to go ahead and enter your date of birth information and then click on accept. The app will now act up as if it is being used for the first time on your device, which means you'll need to log into your FIFA Mobile account back again. Here you'll need to select an account and get started with FIFA Mobile again. That was how you can easily log out of FIFA Mobile. Since there is no logout button within the app, you'll need to delete the application and reinstall it back again. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.